Unanimous decisions by the Supreme Court are important for a couple of reasons. First, it means the issue should have been rather obvious. After all, if there was a real question about the case, wouldn't you expect at least one justice to dissent? Second, although it really shouldn't matter, the unanimity is often used to give greater weight to those decisions, meaning lower court justices are less likely to ignore them. Looking at the facts of the case, it does seem rather obvious that when the law says it is unlawful for employers to discriminate based on sex, it really doesn't matter which way the discrimination flows. The fact that Ms. Ames had to wait so long, not to mention the cost in both monetary and emotional terms of these multiple court decisions, shows a serious problem with our so-called justice system. As the saying goes, justice delayed is justice denied, and Ms. Ames has been denied justice for more than 5 years, and her wait isn't over. You see, the court didn't award the case to Ms. Ames, but only that her petition that the Sixth Circuit's background circumstances doctrine violated federal law. The court then sent the case back to the Sixth Circuit to try again. I do need to point out one thing before we finish this episode. Title VII, which is Title 42, Section 2000E-2 of the United States Code, is blatantly unconstitutional. Nowhere in the Constitution of the United States will you find the power to regulate employment delegated to it. That means that not only does Title VII violate the Constitution, it is also void. Furthermore, as to the background circumstances rule, I remind people that only Congress has the power to make all laws which shall be necessary and proper for carrying into execution the foregoing powers and all other powers vested in this Constitution by the government of the United States or in any department or officer thereof. Now, while I applaud the anti-discrimination sentiment behind Title VII, that does not make 42 U.S.C. 2000E-2 legal.